So hello and welcome to a little update on Market Town. Some of you will remember this layout from a while ago. Got a bit of urgency with it because we're due to exhibit it in May at something. I'll try and get Doug to put the dates up for the show. And it does need a little bit of work. Now the problem is the only place I had I could store it was on top of a cupboard, which wasn't very useful. So we've had a bit of domestic negotiation and we found a little space here in a window bay where I can get to it. Because I think, as I've pointed out to some of you before, there's quite a lot of detail work still needs doing. Things like the retaining walls. We've got to build a new little bit of street scene there, and obviously a tunnel mouth, and a lot of the buildings want tarting up. And in moving it, we completely trashed the signal box. So quite a lot to do, but just to let you know to watch out for this one. This will be upcoming. I'm hoping to make some low relief buildings to finish the corner off. And what Doug's going to do now is just run some locos on it, because we know people enjoyed watching the locos running. So you can see our new tramway loco that's looking very good. We'll have that running round, and a few other locos, and look forward to more progress with this layout in the near future. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.